In the light of the ongoing efforts towards increasing green cover in the capital city by government and allied bodies, Media Today Group proposes to organize Delhi Green Show 2019, an international exhibition, networking meet and conference for professional landscape, nursery, gardening products, equipment and outdoor living industry. Visit for indoor and outdoor plants, pots and holders, lawn and garden mowers, fountain and accessories suppliers. Meet the industry experts. Flowers, plants, and seed companies. Gardening tools. Wide variety of flowers. Stones and granite products. And many more. Come, let's make Delhi green and beautiful. On 11th, 12th and 13th of October, 2019 at the Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts, New Delhi.